Good morning, students. Today I'm going to tell you the format and component of article writing. So, as you all know that this time in your examination, article writing is going to appear, and I think before this you have written essay. So today I'll distinguish between essay and article. So let me define essay first so that you can differentiate between essay and article. So essay is a short literary work which highlights the writer's outlook and knowledge. Article is also a piece of writing, but normally it is informative. Okay, it needs to be published in a newspaper or in a school magazine. So here the tone of article is conversational. Okay, you will find that one who is writing the article, he develop familiar tone with the reader so that they may understand him very well. So the basic difference between essay and article is that essay is written as a response to a question, but article is to be published, okay, and it is informative. In article, we are guided by facts and figures, but in an essay, you can develop your own personal opinion and outlook based on your knowledge. So let's see what should your article contain. First of all, your article has to be very interesting. It has to be very easy to read so that the reader understand what you're going to inform. And the title of an article should be very appealing. It should reveal the theme, it should reveal the content of your article. So bear in mind that you should give a good title to your article. तो चलिए हम देखते हैं कि फॉर्मेट क्या होता है एसे राइटिंग का और आर्टिकल राइटिंग का। दोनों का फॉर्मेट बिल्कुल सेम है, जिसमें सबसे पहले हमको टाइटल लिखना होता है। वी नीड टू राइट द टाइटल एंड आफ्टर दैट वी नीड टू गिव स्मॉल इंट्रोडक्शन। आप एसे में जैसे देते हैं एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन, आर्टिकल में भी आपको वैसा ही इंट्रोडक्शन देना है। थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस बॉडी में है। आप जब एसे लिखते हैं तो सिंपल अपने टॉपिक को कंटिन्यू करते हैं। यहाँ आपको अपने टॉपिक को थोड़ा ज़्यादा कन्वर्सेशनल बनाना है, कुछ ज़्यादा फैक्ट्स और डेटास को यूज़ करना है, और जैसे कि हम एसे में टॉपिक को कंक्लूड करते हैं, ठीक वैसे ही आर्टिकल राइटिंग में कंक्लूजन लास्ट में आता है। सपोज इफ़ यू हैव टू राइट एन आर्टिकल ऑन pros and cons of social networking. Now what you require to do, first of all, you will give a catchy and appealing title to your article. Then you will define social networking. In your first paragraph you will give a small intro. What is social networking? Again you will just show the advantage and the disadvantage of social networking with the help of facts and figures. You will develop a very familiar tone with the readers so that they can understand you well. Your language has to be very easy, and at last you are supposed to conclude, okay, in what way they are helpful for the people and in what way they are harmful to the people. So you will conclude it in a very nice way. You can use new words and vocabulary to convince the reader about the facts. You can develop an argument also in the middle part of the article, and at last you are going to conclude it in your own way. So I hope you have understood the basic difference between article writing and essay writing. And as a homework you will deal with the same topic what I have discussed in this video, and the topic is the pros and cons of social networking sites. So you will have word limitations also. You have to write your article within 100 to 150 words.